Hey guys, back again with another video for the channel. In today's video I will be trying out a very popular mascara. Yes, I felt on a short video by Happy Curls, I believe that is the name, and she blew me away with that video. I'll go ahead and I'll insert it for you guys to see.
Whenever something is trending on Amazon, it's for a reason. So I was not blessed with just full, beautiful lashes, okay? I have baby, sparse, immature, adolescent lashes. And hold on, this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara right here, boom, bam. This was like $4.99 on Amazon. Got it the next day. So let me just show you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my phone. This is Amazeballs. So I have not dipped it back in. I'm literally just brushing and just, you know, creating like the spaces that I want. When I tell you, I've tried almost every mascara from Run to Amazon, because I ain't gonna tell you to do with your coin, but $5.
After washing it, I was like, I have to go and I have to get that mascara. So I went on Amazon, I purchased it, and it is finally here, guys. I was so excited that I opened the box. So I'm sorry I couldn't do a official unboxing, but this is the mascara, and it is from Essence Lash Princess Face Lash Effect Mascara, gluten and cruelty free. So I'll go ahead and I'll open it, and today I will be trying it out for the very first time. I'm gonna see what the hype is all about. Yes, as you guys can see, I was blessed with a lot of hair, but unfortunately I don't have a lot of brows. See, I'm coming to you guys natural as possible today. No brow pencil is on, no mascara is on. I just have a little lip gloss on. But this mascara, it is for me, because as you can see, your girl is not working with much lashes. So we're gonna see how it is today. I'm so excited. Okay, this is it. This is how the brush is looking. And let's see. Wow, I'm gonna go and dip it once again. Whoa, wow, look at the difference, guys. Can you tell the difference? I'm trying to get my lashes in my corner eyes. I'm trying to get every lash coated. But yeah, ooh, this is beautiful, guys. This is gorgeous. Whoa. 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 I can literally see the difference. Look. This is beautiful and it's so naturally looking. My lashes are well separated. Nothing is clumping. I am loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom part of my bottom lashes. Wow. I never do my bottom lashes, guys, but this is just, I'm just experimenting with it, and oh, I'm loving it. Wow, this is just beautiful. Oh my God, this is incredible. Whoa. Look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. You can barely see my lashes here, and then here is just popping. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and I'm going to do the second eye, because your girl can't be walking around with one eye popping and then the other eye just bleep. That's just weird. Beautiful. I'm so excited. I have lashes. Ooh. And there you go, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, the Essence Lash Princess, so beautiful. So guys, if you have little lashes like I had little lashes. Now I have some voluminous long lashes. So if you would like lashes like mine's, I highly recommend you go ahead and you purchase this. I don't know if you can find it at your local beauty store, but for sure I found mine on Amazon. I'll go ahead and I'll insert the price for you guys to see. But go ahead, look at my lashes, guys. I am well satisfied with it. I'll be wearing this every day. And yes, my first beauty product review. So stick with me, guys. I'll be bringing more right here on this channel. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, have a blessed day, guys.